Hey guys, my name is Cyrus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I wanted to do a beautiful eyeshadow look based on the colours from the transgender flag. So as you can see, I've already done the rest of my makeup, so we can jump straight in with the eyeshadow look. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is my brand new Dior eyeshadow palette. I looked everywhere for a eyeshadow palette that had the colours that I needed, like all of the colours that I needed in the one palette. And obviously the colours that I need for the transgender flag inspired look are light blue, pink and white. Now, I already have a white colour in palettes that I already own. But as I said, I tried finding the light blue and the pink in one palette. It's really difficult finding, specific colours that you're looking for in one palette, I found out. But I did eventually find them in this Dior palette that I bought. So here we go. Jumping straight into the look. So do excuse me guys, because I am going to use the eyeshadow palette's mirror to apply the makeup because the mirror behind the camera is a little bit far away. So the first colour I'm going to be using is the light blue, and I'm just going to take that and apply it there. So like the outer corner. Like so. What I've tried to avoid doing, guys, is going too much in the middle because that's where I'm going to be putting the white colour and a little bit of white glitter as well, just to sparkle things up and make that white really stand out. So I'm going to change the brush, guys, and I'm going to go in with a new brush and I'm going to take that pink colour and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner and just blend that out. But I'm not going to blend it out all the way so it joins the blue. I want to leave a little bit of space in between for that white colour. And when you're done, it should look something like this, guys. Now, I am going to go back in with the blue just to, take that colour down onto the lid as I have done with the pink. So I'm going to go back in with the... Keep dipping these palettes, I'm going to end up losing half the product. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different eyeshadow palette, the one containing my white colour, and I'm going to apply that to the middle of my eye. And what I'm going to do, guys, is where the blue and the pink meet, I'm just going to get the white colour and join those colours. Don't forget, at any time you can go in with one of the other colours if you want to deepen it up a bit. So if you want to go in with the blue, you can deepen it up a little bit more. If you want to go in with the pink, you can deepen it up a little bit more. Just keep tweaking the look until you're happy with it, you know? I think this is looking rather lovely, actually. Quite loving this look. Where we've applied the white colour, I'm going to apply some white glitter, just so it pops a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is the glitter primer, I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, as you can see. Then I'm just going to take my brush and dip it into that primer. Apply the primer to the white eyeshadow. And then dip your brush into the glitter. I've actually just knocked the glitter off onto my table because it's easier for me. So I'm just going to dip my brush into that, as you can see. That's all the glitter. And then apply that on top of the primer. This is looking quite nice, in my opinion anyway. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a small fine brush, and what I'm going to do with that is dip it into the pink first, and then we're just going to do the under eye. So I'm going to take it from the inner corner to the middle. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take that blue, that lovely light blue, and I'm going to apply that on the bottom lash line as well, from where the pink ends all the way out to the outer edge of your eye. So what I'm going to do next, guys, is I'm going to add some black eyeliner to the waterline. I'm going to do the eyeshadow on this side, so it matches this side. And I'm going to add some false eyelashes. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I've obviously done the makeup on this side, added false eyelashes, put a bit of mascara on the bottom lash line and on the false eyelashes. It's just something I always do. And a bit of highlight in the inner corners. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I actually really think it looks good. The trans colours look amazing, as always. I think this is a look I would be quite proud to wear, you know, because it is the trans colours and, you know, it does mean a lot to me, you know, the transgender flag. So yeah, I like this. So yeah, I love it. Sorry, I'm just like admiring it. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Be safe, be kind, and God bless.